Good morning, fellow traders. Baldwin here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Monday, August the 31st, 2020. I hope everybody had a great night last night and a wonderful weekend. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left with the market on Friday. So SPX monthly chart up nicely, right? At fresh all-time highs. Weekly chart, again, Marubozu-like candle with a couple gaps below, so something to kind of keep an eye on here as we head into September, starting tomorrow. We took a doji day up on the SPX, so that's looking pretty good there. And holding trend and holding the ADMA. So get a little extended there, so let's see if it does decide to give a pullback. Watch if we break down below SPY's Friday lows. Let's check and see how it's behaving here pre-market. So far a little bit of a pullback here, right? It was strong Sunday night, and then into Monday morning we've been drifting back off of this recent trend channel on SPY. The S&P futures, again, we were rejected by a signal zone up here. We're bouncing a little bit off of the signal zone here, so we see if we can hold this one. If not, we actually have an open gap here from Sunday's open, so we'll see if that gap fills. A breakdown below here might hit some of our volume levels on that. So let's see how that goes going into today. Again, same with the MES, right? Sort of the big deal right now is just kind of seeing if we can pivot off of these recent lows here and then where we go from there. So let's keep an eye on that for MES. Also, let's just kind of see here. We've got this geometric level to see how that holds going into the rest of the day. So good stuff there. Let's say with the Qs this morning. So again, generally the Qs have been pretty strong. They're trying to recover a little bit here. We've got Tesla and Apple with their stock splits going on today. So let's see how that holds. IWM. Again, has been pretty choppy. Let's see if this had a big spike this morning, so let's see if that ends up turning into a bull flag going into the opening hours. Let's take a look at Apple. Okay, so Apple, right, had a crazy tick this morning here at 137, but it's chopping around here today. So this is going to be a tricky one today. We'll see how it holds the pre-market levels and where it decides to go from there if they just decide to just bum rush some money into it here today at its lower prices. Tesla. Okay, so Tesla, again, same stuff, right? Was up here this morning, kind of spiking down. It's got a big gap to fill here since it just basically just normalized all its pricing. So we'll see how that goes going into today. Keep an eye on Intel. It's pretty interesting here this morning. It's really spiking up. I didn't see any news on this one yet, but it's got some great movement here this morning. The daily chart. Starting to break out of this consolidation out of this triangle from Friday with some up move on that one. So let's see if this Intel ends up giving a move today. A couple of the ones kind of keep an eye on here. The airlines have been pretty strong here this morning, holding up, kind of gapping up a little bit here. Cruise lines at Carnival. That's up as well, so that's kind of interesting. Also keep an eye on Netflix. Again, big double inside day on Friday, right? So let's see how that holds. That could get a little bit interesting today if those levels break out. Keep an eye on Twitter. Also double inside day and holding the ADMA on that one. NEO, again, the PMI numbers were a little bit weak in China, so we're going to be gapping down about here to the ADMA. So see if those hold. If they could hold right, we might come up and fill this this island top gap. Otherwise, we may see more downside if the China names are weak today. So kind of keep an eye on that one too. Beyond had an upgrade or a bit of an upgrade this morning, so it's kind of up a little bit here. Just kind of keep an eye on it. It's still below the pre-market levels and Friday's highs, so this could get kind of tricky right here unless they really decide to pour some money into it. We're also below the daily cloud, so some caution there. Might see a reversal. So other than that, guys, I hope everybody has a wonderful trading day today. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.